access here, and we will going to talk about the ID role and how it significantly impacted our communication, politics, religion, and to yourself. First, we will going to discuss the religion. The religion is to access the information. IT provides access to religious texts, readings, and resources online, making it easier for the follower to explore their faith. The second one is the online worship. Virtual services, live streaming of religious events, and digital forums have allowed believers to participate in worship remotely, especially during times of COVID-19 pandemic. And the third one is the community building. Social media platforms enable individuals to connect with like-minded people across geographically boundaries, fostering religious communities online. And lastly, to educate and outreach. Religious organizations use IT tools or information technology for educational purposes, just through website apps and online courses. And next, we're going to tackle about the communication, politics, and to yourself. What is the significant impact of information technology to the communication?
Well, in my opinion, it improves the communication platforms such as our online platforms such as Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. It helps us communicate way more faster and improves our collaboration, and it brings efficiency.
What is the significant impact of information technology to the politics?
So it allows for rapid dissemination of political information, influencing public opinions and awareness about policies and candidates. And also, political campaigns heavily rely on social media for outreach, fundraising, and engaging with voters.
What is the significant impact of information technology to yourself?
Well, it did major impact on me. It made my life much more easier. And for example, at school,